I'm just kidding. Welcome to my furnished apartment tour, finally. Long overdue. Today we are finally doing my furnished apartment tour after almost a year of me being here. But yeah, this might be a long one. I'm gonna tell you some of the pieces and where I got them just in case. And if you guys are interested in anything that I have that I don't mention, just ask me down below. And yeah, if you do see it mentioned, then I'm probably gonna link it for you if I can find it. So without further ado, let's see my furnished apartment tour. So as you guys know, if you guys watched my unfurnished, you would know that this is my laundry area. This, please don't judge me. I'm not even gonna show you half of it because half of it's messy. But anyways, this is where I do the laundry. Honestly, over here we store like shoes and drying clothing because it's just what we have in a little apartment. But yeah, so this is the washing machine. I just have boxes here for whenever I move out. And we store all this stuff up here for laundry stuff. That's it. This is pretty basic. This over here is a little bit of a show, so I'm not gonna show you that. Here we have my bedroom, which originally was my filming room, but I switched it last minute because all I really do is sleep and I wanted more room in my filming room. So anyways, over here we have my little nightstand. This is from IKEA. I have a little candle, obviously Bath and Body Works. I believe this is from IKEA. I think I got this at Homesense or something like that. These are from like Homesense or Marshalls, the lamp and that picture frame. And then this little rose in here is from Dose of Roses. They gifted it to me. And then the bed is from Wayfair. Do not buy this bed. This bed is trash and I cannot wait to get rid of this bed. It looks beautiful, but it's not practical for anything other than sleeping. So yeah, if you want to just like jump on your bed, don't do it, not this one. So anyways, these pillows are actually from Amazon. They're a really cool brand. I think it's called like Co-op or something. They're really expensive though, but they're cool because you can customize like the fluff in them. So anyways, these pillows I've had for so long. I think I got them from Marshalls or Winners like years and years ago. Same, this blanket actually I think was from Indigo. One of those like blankets that they always sell there. This is also from Amazon. It's one of the down comforters. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the bed. The TV is not mine. It's my lovely boyfriend's TV. I don't know where he got. Best Buy? And then the bear is from Dose of Roses, as you can see. Little Gucci box. This is also from Dose of Roses, this little rose thingy. The shelf is from IKEA. I will link it down below if I find it. Dose of Roses, Dose of Roses. This is from Indigo, I believe, as well. I got it as a gift from IKEA. And then a little Sarak, you know. This I just keep little storage. And then this plant over here is from IKEA, I believe. Yes, IKEA. That's it for the bedroom. So moving on, we're headed to the guest bathroom, and this is basically just used for guests, obviously, and when I have to go to the washroom and I don't want to go into the other room. Over here, we just have a little Bath and Body Works soap and the spray, just in case you go boo-boo. Then I just have a little Chanel No. 5 box over here, just because I thought it was cute. And this is actually a tissue box, but I put an IKEA little plant in it, because I don't know why, but yeah. This is from Scentsy, and my grandma got that for me. And then this is from Marshalls or Winners or Homesense, one of the three, as well as the marble vase, which I got last year, so I don't know if they have it anymore. Here is also from Marshalls or Winners or Homesense, one of the three. Anyways, I just thought it was a cute little pop of color, you know, without being too much. So we got the greens and the pinks going on in here. You don't really need to see in here, but this is my shower curtain that I also got from Marshalls or Winners, along with these cute little thingies, little holders, you know. And then I got this for my mom and my sister like years and years ago. When my sister was really little, she got this for me as like a random gift, so I just keep it there. And then, you know, just a little toilet bowl scrubber from IKEA, something. That's this washroom, you know, that's that. Moving on, we go into like, it's not really a hallway, but it is a hallway kind of. But anyways, we have this little cube, which is from IKEA. You can get these separately and they just open up. I have a bunch of random stuff in here, so don't judge me. But yeah, this is mainly kilo stuff And then I just keep my little vacuum in there because I just feel like it looks neater. But yeah, on top we have just some of Kilo's food, treats, more treats, and we just keep them stored out there because they're easy to grab because he always wants treats. This is my little Tom Ford box. This, actually, I don't even know where this is from, but you can get these kind of clear bases even off Amazon. If I find one, I'll link one if you guys want. And these were also from Marshalls. And then this was also from Marshalls or something. You can tell I like Marshalls and Homesense and Winners. If you can't tell, I don't know. But yeah, we just keep the keys here and then sunglasses and whatever else. This mirror, I think I got from Homesense. I don't know, it was a really good time. It was only like $50 and I swear, no, it was $30. It was a really good deal. And right here, I just have a little basket full of Kilo stuff. This is just his toys and whatever. You can see it's chewed because he chews everything that's not his toys. Yeah, anyways, it's only from the dollar store and I did that on purpose because I knew he would just eat it. So yeah, moving on to the kitchen. I am most of the time. I got this from Homesense as well, but as you can see, Kilo chewed it. So it was cute at one point. It's just a little marble like floor mat to help tension on your feet when you're cooking or doing the dishes or whatever. I really like it. And it's cute and cozy. This basket I believe I got from Winners or Homesense, something like that. Just to keep the fruit in it. Sometimes, I don't always have this here, but I figured I would make it look cute for you guys, you know. Over here I have a little plant from Ikea. And dish soap from Bath & Body Works. This is from Homesense as well. And I just put the dish soap in it and I don't even know where this is from. Probably Homesense as well. Something. This, I don't know where I got it because my grandmother gifted it to me when I was moving, as well as the toaster, and my mom also bought me this Keurig, which I'm assuming was, you can probably get it at like Walmart or on Amazon, whatever. But yeah, there's really nothing exciting about the kitchen. That's pretty much all there is in here. Where I spend 90% of my time. I guess we'll start here with this mirror. So this mirror is from JYSK or Jisk or however you say it. I don't know. It was originally silver and I painted it gold with paint that I got from Walmart. And yeah, I just did a little DIY and I really like it because it goes with the theme so much more in here. I think this was like, I don't even know, $60 and I got it probably like 5 years ago. So I don't even think they still have it, but if I find one similar and you guys like it, I'll link it. Here is the living room. You guys, this is my favorite. So the couch is the one thing that I get a lot of questions about. This is from Last Man Bad Boy, I believe that's what it's called. And this couch was a little bit pricey, but I did get it on sale. And Kilo's already destroyed it, but that's okay. It's fine. I love this couch. It's actually really comfortable for being leather. And it's pretty easy to keep clean because it's leather. Unless you get pen on it, like I do all the time. That is what it is. Cool thing about the couch is that these actually open up for storage. Don't judge this. This is just like electronics and stuff. But I really like how both sides open up for like extra storage. You can see Kilo's teeth marks right there. We'd love to see it. And you can hear him in the back. These are really cool because they fold down. So you can see the difference, how the couch can look. And then the pillows I also got from Winners or Marshalls, one of them, I don't know, both of them. And then, like I said, storage on the other side. Now, this is like a two-piece couch, so it comes apart, but obviously you're not gonna do that. This beautiful table I got from StrucTube, along with the one to match it over there. And I love this table. It's actually really, really nice quality. It's heavy though. This is a really, really heavy table. This I got from, I don't even know what this place is called. Some flower place, I don't remember. And then this is from Dose of Roses as well. I love this candle. This is like the one thing that everyone talks about when they come to my house is like the body of this candle. Anyways, maybe just inappropriate people are coming to my house, but that's okay. It's all fun. So this my grandma got for me for Christmas. I'm not sure where she got it. Maybe Walmart, but it just went with my decor so perfectly, so I love it. This chair is also from StrucTube. Pillow is also from Marshalls. This is from Indigo. This is from Ikea. The bed is from Amazon, Kilo's little fluffy bed. This table, like I said, is the matching one to this, and this is from StrucTube as well. These books I got online. It's like the Adventure Challenge book, and I just thought it was cute to have there. This, I can't remember. I think I got this off Amazon, and I think I also got this on Amazon. I can't remember. Then I got these coasters that are so easy to get dirty, but there's like these gold coasters. I got those from IKEA, and then obviously PlayStation. You guys know where I get that. TV I got so long ago from Best Buy, and the speaker is a Sonos speaker, so you guys can get that at any Best Buy, you know. And then, oh my god, this is like my favorite piece. So this clock is like my staple piece in the whole place. I'm obsessed with this clock. I'm gonna be so sad to see this clock though, I swear. This was like $50 and it looks so expensive. I got this at Winners or Homesense or one of them. But anyways, I found this, I think it was Homesense. I literally found this and I like ran away with it because I thought I stole it, I swear. Amazing. So the last room, you're gonna hear Kilo because he's in there. Oh, I didn't even say about the rug. So this rug I got from Homesense too. I think I got this rug from Homesense. I was looking everywhere for a rug and I literally could not find a freaking rug anywhere. And then I found this one and I was like, this is perfect. I wanted a fluffy, nice rug, and this just matched my decor so beautifully, and it's so cozy on the feet and keeps it warm and brings like a little bit more of like a homey vibe to the space. And I believe this rug is 5 by 7, something like that. I'll try to see if I can find it, but just in case you guys want like size reference for like getting a rug for your living room. But yeah, and this little basket I got from Amazon, and it's just filled with a bunch of my favorite blankets. And that's it for the living room. Now we move to the beauty room slash filming room slash get ready room slash clothes everywhere room 90% of the time, but I cleaned it just for you today. So this is where Kilo actually sleeps. He's in there right now. Let's hope that he is quiet. But when you come in here, you can see I have 2 shelves right over here where I kind of store my shoes. Well, maybe my heels. My shoes go in the other closet. Then this is the Ottoman that you can get with the couch, but you always have to pay for it separately. It doesn't come in the set. I just have a little blanket that I don't even know where I got it from, to be honest. I got it so long ago, like literally 10 years. Same with this pillow. I got it literally ages ago. And yeah, I take a lot of my pictures here. It's super cozy just to chill on. It's usually filled with clothes if you want me to be completely transparent, but yeah. Sorry, the lighting's probably really trash because of the sun. But anyways, I usually have that just filled with clothes. This plant is from Canadian Tire. It was $200 and it is the nicest plant I've ever gotten, and I freaking love it so much. And it is fake. All my plants in here are fake. I cannot take care of plants whatsoever. I just can't do it. So anyway, this is my fake plant and I love it. And this is a size reference. It's literally huge. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a really nice, good, big ass fake plant, look no further than Canadian Tire. I found it on a whim, but anyways. So I usually store my lighting over here in the corner just so it's out of the way, and then I'll bring it back whenever it's time to film. This I got from IKEA. This I believe I also got from IKEA, this chair. And then this picture frame, I think I got as a gift one time and I painted it gold as well. This I got in a kiosk at the mall like 5 years ago. And I've had it ever since, just because I like to do my makeup more up close. This is obviously from Vanity Girl Hollywood, but they don't even sell this anymore. So if you guys want to buy mine, let me know. I'm just kidding, not really. Anyways, this lamp is from Amazon. This is from IKEA, this little speaker. Obviously, most of my candles that you see are from Bath & Body Works. So, yeah. This is actually like a little hair extension box that I got from a girl back in my home city, and I just thought it matched my decor really pretty. And I just put and I just put like little fragrances on top and my little remote clicker for taking pictures. So these little acrylic things that I store my brushes in. You can also store pens or whatever if you have an office. These are from Amazon. That's it for the desk. Obviously, you can tell this is one of the Alex drawers, the tall Alex drawer from IKEA. Everybody has this. There's something stuck behind here, so that's why I won't close, so I'm gonna have to open that and take it apart. But yeah, so you can see my lighting is from Canadian Studio, and then I think this is a Diva light. I'm not even sure. I didn't buy either of these things. They were gifted to me, thankfully. So yeah, I can try to find out if you guys want to know. But this is another closet over here. It's kind of messy, but anyways, I just got rid of so much stuff. Basically, I just have bags under here, and then tops up here, and pants down here. Well, jeans anyways. And then there's an extra storage up there, but I just have random stuff. And then over here, this is just like a bunch of random clothes that go in here, and then other stuff that goes in there. And that's it. So last but not least, we have the bathroom. This is the bathroom that we obviously used to use more often because the bedroom used to be in here, but then I switched everything, so we still use it. I don't know. We're just more accustomed to using the stand-up shower, so that's it. Anyways, this I got from Marshall's, and this I got from Bath & Body Works. These are my teeth. This I got from Amazon. It's just like a little like baby wipe container. It's always nice to have baby wipes. And this is from IKEA. I love little plants. I just think they really bring a lot to the room. The garbage can over here is from Marshall's, I believe, or Homesense again. And then yeah, the shower is really dirty. I have to clean this so badly, so I actually just got stuff to clean it yesterday, and I'm gonna clean it tomorrow. But yeah, in the little corner over there, I think I got that shelving rack from Homesense as well, so it's nice to have in a stand-up shower just to store all of your stuff on it. So unorganized right now, don't pay any mind. Anyways, on the back of the door is this little hanging rod thingy, which I thought was so cute, and I think I got this at Homesense as well. Guys, I love Homesense, I love Marshalls, I love Winners, I love any home place, but we don't really have that much here in Canada. But yeah, anyways, that's where I just store my robes, etc, etc. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's go to the balcony. Because you guys saw the balcony, it had no lights on it and no turf or flooring. So anyways, when we come outside, we put turf all along this whole side, and then IKEA flooring over here. Kilo comes out here all the time, so this is kind of his domain, and we just have like a bunch of random stuff over there. It's messy. And then the lights are from Amazon, but don't get them because they're absolutely trash. Half of them are dead, and I just don't care enough. But you can see Kilo literally takes up the turf and chews it, so we love to see that. But this turf was from Wayfair, and make sure you get it delivered right to your house, okay? That's all I have to say, because it was pretty expensive. I'm pretty sure I actually paid like $600 just for the turf, and it goes all the way around the side. Well, we won't go over there because it's really windy over there, but this is all from Wayfair. It comes in like a really huge, like 12-foot freaking like hot dog roll, basically. But yeah, I really like the turf. It feels like really nice grass, actually. And like I said, the tiling is from IKEA, and that was actually pretty easy to do, minus cutting around the little freaking blocks. Alright you guys, so that concludes my furnished apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was like really long awaited, and like I'm probably not gonna be living here that much longer, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like for now. So I hope you guys liked it, and if there's anything that I didn't mention that you wanted to know where it's from, just let me know and I will be sure to try to find it for you. But that's it, that's all. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live. That's it, that's all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.